What if I told you that one of the most powerful self-improvement tools in the world costs less than $1? No app, no subscription, no device, just a notebook and a pen. And the people who use it correctly, they don't just get organized, they completely transform their life. Here's what most people do. They wake up, check their phone, react to everything around them, go through the day on autopilot, and at night they wonder why nothing is changing. The problem isn't laziness. The problem is that their thoughts are scattered everywhere, and a scattered mind produces a scattered life. Psychology says that writing something down moves it from your emotional brain to your logical brain. The moment you write a problem on paper, it loses power over you. You stop reacting and start thinking. Studies show that people who write their goals down are 42% more likely to achieve them. Not because of magic, but because writing forces clarity, and clarity creates action. You only need 5 minutes a day. Here's how. Morning. Write one goal for the day. Just one. What would make today successful? During the day, write every idea, worry, or thought that's stuck in your head. Get it out of your mind and onto paper. Night. Write one thing you learned today. One thing you'll do better tomorrow. That's it. 3 simple habits. But done daily. In 30 days, your thinking becomes sharper, your decisions become clearer, and you start feeling in control of your life. Your phone is stealing your focus. A notebook gives it back. Start tonight. 1 page, 1 thought. That's all it takes. Subscribe for more. See you in the next one.